When I started my college, I had no idea what skills I should actually focus on. I used to think getting good grades would be enough for me to secure placement, but this is not true. Now, after 3 years of college and securing a placement, I realized that there are a few skills that companies value, and the earlier you start learning them is actually better. So, in this video, I'll share 5 skills that every college student should learn before graduating. And these are the kind of skills that you can start learning today. And the fifth skill is very important, so don't skip that. So watch the video till the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashita. I recently graduated from Kirodimal College, Delhi University, got placed, and on this channel I share everything that I wish someone had told me before college. Trust me, if you start learning these skills from your first year itself, your final year self will thank you a lot. The first and the most important skill, which you all know, but only a few people are good in that. The first skill is communication. And no, with this, I don't mean speaking English with a foreign accent. I simply mean learning how to express your thoughts clearly and confidently. During college, you will give presentation, introduce yourself in interviews, participate in group discussions, participate in different kind of case competition, interact with seniors, professionals and recruiters. If you know something but you can't express it properly, people won't know your potential. And one thing that really helped me was joining societies, whether it was conducting meetings, talking to speakers, coordinating events or presenting my ideas. Without even realizing it, my communication improved. So don't wait for placements to improve it. Start now. Speak more, ask more questions, participate in events. You can also watch some good English web series or movies. This way you can really improve your English and your communication skills. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Moving to the second skill. So the second skill is Microsoft Excel. I know this sounds very boring. मुझे भी first year में exactly ऐसे ही लगता था. But after internship and placements, I realized that every corporate role uses Excel, whether it is finance, HR, marketing, consulting or operations. Excel is everywhere and you don't have to master it. Just start with the basics. Learn formulas like sum, if, conditional formatting, XLOOKUP, pivot table and charts. The third skill is LinkedIn and networking. Honestly, I wish I had started using LinkedIn seriously much earlier. Most students create their profile in their third year when placements begin. I think that's too late. Start it in your first year. Build a good profile and connect with your seniors. Follow recruiters, share your achievements there, and learn from people already working in the companies that you admire. One good connection can sometimes open opportunities that hundreds of online applications can't. When you're building your network, send connection requests to the recruiters or to the employees working in companies and start conversation with them. Ask them about their experience in that company, and like this you'll start building your connections. Now, one thing that a lot of students don't know, LinkedIn is one of the best places to find internships. There are a lot of people who find their internships through LinkedIn. My first internship was through LinkedIn. I reached out to the employees working in different companies and I started sharing my resume and my work experience to them. This is one of the best way to find internship. Whenever you are looking for internships, don't just use the job portals. Go to LinkedIn, search for the role you are interested in. You will see hundred of openings posted by different companies. For example, role in marketing, role in finance and HRs. Reaching out with a genuine message or keeping your profile updated can help you discover opportunities you might not find elsewhere. Honestly, there's a lot to LinkedIn and finding internships, and I can't cover everything in this video. So I'm planning a dedicated video on how to get your first internship with no experience, where I'll share exact strategy that I followed step by step. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned. Okay, so the fourth skill is learning how to build your resume and your entire profile. And remember, one good resume isn't written in your final year. It's built throughout your college life. Every internship, every society, every competition and every project and every volunteering experience becomes a line in your resume. Instead of just collecting random certifications, focus on gaining real experience. Companies don't just want certification courses in your resume, they want real experience that you have collected through internships, societies and projects. And for resume template, I'll create a dedicated video for that as well. I'll share all the mistakes that students generally do and that leads to rejection. I'll share my own personal resume template and what actually recruiters want to see in your resume. So I'll make a detailed video for that. Now let's talk about what I think is the most important skill for the future, learning how to use AI. By AI, I don't mean copying assignments from ChatGPT. I mean learning how to use AI to become more productive. Today, people use AI for every single day, for research, for brainstorming ideas, learning new concepts, preparing presentations, planning content. There are a lot of AI tools apart from ChatGPT that every student must know and every student at least use in their day-to-day life. Some of them are Notebook LM for studying from PDFs, Perplexity for research, Gamma for presentation. This tool will save you hours. You just enter a topic and it creates a clean, professional presentation in minutes. You can still edit it later. One more important tool is Canva. I think Canva is one of the apps that every student should learn in their college life. It makes your life much easier. You can create posters, resume, presentations, social media posts, and graphics without needing any design experience. Even today, I use Canva regularly for my content. There are some tools like Bolt New and Lovable which can generate websites just from a prompt. You can simply describe what you want and within minutes you have a professional looking website that you can customize. It's honestly crazy how easy it's becoming. Trust me, students who learn to use AI effectively today will have a huge advantage over the next few years. AI is much bigger than ChatGPT. If you only use ChatGPT to complete your assignment, you are using only 5% of what AI can actually do. AI can help you learn faster, work faster, and become much more productive. Another category that every student should explore is automation. Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, you can automate them. Tools like Zapier and Make can connect different apps together. It can automatically update an Excel sheet, send you an email, and even create a task in your to-do list. And at the last, remember that companies don't just hire a degree, they hire someone who can solve problems, communicate well, and keep learning. I have linked some of the resources in the description. I am planning to make a dedicated video on how to get your first internship with no experience, where I will share the strategies that actually work for freshers, from building your CV to applying smartly and reaching out to recruiters. So stay tuned for that. And if you are someone who wants to make the most of your college life, from internships to corporate life, make sure to subscribe because that's exactly what this channel is about. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.